Hello.
No, you can check everything in there. I paid for my stuff.
You gotta come with me so we can check for everything.
I swear I paid for my stuff. I swear.
Okay.
You want to see my receipt? I promise you I paid for my stuff.
Well, we can come back
If
inside
I
and we'll go to the
didn't
office.
scan something, it was by accident, but I promise you I paid for my stuff.
Okay. All the stuff that
I've got somewhere I have to be, like, I have to be somewhere, like, quick.
Okay, well, let's get this figured out real quick, and then we'll send you on your way.
I paid for all my stuff. If I did, it's because I didn't by accident.
What's your name?
I swear I paid for all my stuff. If I didn't, it was an accident.
Most of the stuff's food, and there's quite a few general merchandise that I saw you putting stuff on top of.
If I did, I didn't mean to. It was an accident. I didn't mean
Yeah, let them check your purse as well.
Oh, yeah, see, like, I didn't know that was there, under there.
You have an ID on you? Driver's license?
I don't have my card. I just have my card. No, I don't. No, I don't.
What's your first name?
I promise you I paid for all my stuff. I don't want you
what's your
taking my
first name?
information down just yet. 'Cause I
Hey,
promise you
I'm the police. You have to identify yourself, okay? What is your first name?
Can I call an attorney?
No.
No, you have to identify yourself. If you fail to identify yourself,
my
you're going
name's
to jail.
Ashley.
Okay.
So she's breached trespass, and she's been trespassed.
Yeah, that was a total freaking accident. That was,
That
I
was
just,
just.
I know,
That
I
was
just
twice
got
in a
off
month.
a midnight shift, working a 12-hour midnight shift. This was my fourth one in a row. I forgot to scan something on the bottom of my card.
It's been 4 times, and you ran every time. Every time you ran, you caused an issue, and
Because
been
that girl that works here has an issue with me, and I don't know what it is, but
With
I feel like I'm
stealing.
being harassed.
No,
I didn't.
She has caught you stealing
No,
every
she
time
has
you've been here.
not.
And the second I saw you, I knew 100% you were doing it, and then I caught you doing it.
How? No, I paid for everything in this card.
I can already see all those F's. That's all food, and there's only a few general merchandise items you paid for, and none of that.
I got
was paid
most of that I got was food. I didn't get
for.
anything
Like I
that
said, you've
wasn't
been
food.
trespassed however many times, and you still come back.
Do you have somebody that can
No, I
get your
don't.
stuff?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't. I really do have to be somewhere though.
Okay,
Like,
well, from the sounds of it, you're probably going to be going to the jail. So,
Why is that?
Because you've been previously trespassed, okay, and you're here, okay, and if you stole items,
I did not. It was
And it-
purely an accident. Listen, I'm a nurse, and
Okay.
I don't want to lose my job over this.
over stealing,
I didn't steal.
probably
If I
shouldn't
did, it was
steal.
an accident. I didn't
well,
steal.
if you've been here multiple times,
That
stealing,
freaking girl that
here,
works
have a
here has
seat,
an
because you're
issue.
getting really close to me, and
Sorry,
I don't like that.
Sorry, it's kind of cramped in here.
Heart.
I need. Oh, I'm not ready to pass out. It's fucking hot.
Where are you nurse at?
The VA.
The VA?
Yeah. So, and I gotta go. I need to be there. I gotta go.
So you have to be there right now, but you bought all this food.
Well, I was gonna run home and drop it off.
Okay, where do you stay at?
I live at the lake.
Live at where?
Lake of Beecher.
Okay.
I promise you, if I did it was purely an accident, I will pay for whatever I did, whatever I missed. Can we just make this easy for all of us? Because if I did, it was an accident. I will. Here's my card. You can pay for it.
Previously been. Have you ever been arrested for retail theft?
No, I haven't.
Okay. You just leave that in the car.
Yeah.
So you've never been arrested for retail theft?
No.
Have you ever had an encounter with the police here for retail theft?
No.
She's usually been long gone.
No, that lady is. I don't know what her deal is with me, but she came up pushing me one time, and I didn't quite care for that. I told her if she touched me again.
Well, he asked you to stop. I watched it. He asked you to
What?
stop and you kept walking out.
Well, I didn't. Would you stop if some random man that you didn't know
What's happened
tried to
4
talk to you?
times?
Well, whenever he identifies himself,
He didn't.
I have a hard time believing that. I feel like he would have
He
announced
didn't.
himself.
100%. Like that was the first thing I did.
Hey, I'm so-and-so with asset protection. I need you to come in here.
No, he didn't.
Need you to come into this office.
No, he didn't.
Not once.
No.
Same with
He
Valerie.
just
She's never
started
done it.
talking to me when I seen you. No, he didn't.
So I'm talking to you before.
I was on the phone with the police too. So
Yeah.
No, he didn't. He didn't.
It's on the recorded line, so if I go back and I
Yeah,
hear
you
him
can.
say, hey,
You can. Yeah.
okay. Alright,
I mean,
I could do that, actually.
and if
Right
he did,
now.
I didn't hear him. I mean, I'm
Well,
not really
see,
paying
there's
attention.
that. You know,
I mean,
I didn't hear him, just like you didn't know
If
you
he
didn't
did,
scan your
he
items.
was walking up behind me. I don't really hear that well, so I had to do a double take to even see. I'm freaking sweating. But if I did, I'm sorry. I mean, you can pay. Here's my card. You can pay for
I
it.
think we're past that.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I know you're busy, but if you can you find that previous trespass notice?
Yeah.
You don't have to get it right now. Just I'll have you email it to me with the paperwork and whatnot.
Okay, yeah. But
I'm sorry.
Here's, she was breached trespass, and she was issued trespass on January 16th and breached it on January 26th.
Sir,
Okay.
can we please not go there with this? I am like, I'm on.
I think we're gonna have to.
4 events, too,
listen,
where she's ran.
listen,
Okay.
listen to me. Listen to me. Can you please not go there with this? I don't want to lose my nursing license. I'm getting ready to take
I understand.
another board test.
You know what you did.
Here's my card. You can,
I need you to stand over here
I'm sorry.
while he's doing his job.
I'm sorry. Like, could you?
This ain't her first time to go around doing this.
Have we had an involvement with her?
Oh yeah. Jesse had to catch her one time in January, couldn't catch her. Then she got arrested
No.
by Patterson for retail theft at Walmart.
No, it wasn't for that. He said
Really?
He arrested me because he said I was.
I just got off the phone with him. However, there was no issuances of trespasses for some reason.
They got one in their system,
I know.
so I'm gonna have them.
Sir,
As long as
can we
it's signed by a
please just-
witness,
Can we not
we can go by
there
that.
with this?
So this isn't,
Hey.
this isn't her first time trying to steal Walmart at least.
No, it is. Yes, it is. That lady that works here has a problem. Well, I think I know why, but I'm gonna go there. But I'm begging you. I'm really begging you. If you could work with me, just please work with me.
Well, the
This,
fact that
this
it's
is where I caught you first. I saw you trying to
No
shove
previous
this
conviction.
I didn't want to lose
So-
him. I didn't want him to fall out of my
So I
card.
mean, she's got
I
and stuff. There's no conviction
Huh?
yet, so it'd still be just depending on the amount.
didn't want to lose him. That's why I said.
Yeah, we have nothing in our system for trespass notices. I mean, it would.
Listen, I have a federal job. I've got a nursing license. I mean, if you
Nobody's
could work,
stealing.
yeah.
I'm not.
You make good money.
I'm not.
My mom works at the VA.
Who's your mom?
Carrie.
You know what?
She works at the VA. She makes
We
good money.
get we get flu vaccinations together. Yeah, she's
Yeah.
nice. I like her. She's a good lady. You don't look like her.
No,
No.
I look like
You
my
look at your
dad.
dad. Yeah. Yeah. I think she's talked to me about you before. Really.
But hey, I know you make good money. I don't.
I know, and if I did. It's purely by accident. Here's my card. I will pay for it.
Like I said,
will
I'm gonna have you
not-
step back there because you're getting
Sorry.
awful close to me.
I'm sorry. I will not step foot in this Walmart ever again. If you could
Well, it
just
sounds
work.
like you shouldn't have stepped foot in here the last 4 times. That's my
I know,
thing.
but
Like, I mean, it's a reoccurring thing
No, it's not because seriously,
since January.
The lady that's supposed to work here has some problem with me, and I think.
Well,
I
if
think I know
she's,
why, but I don't know.
well, I mean, if you've been trespassed,
I know what else am I supposed to do when, like, I gotta run in and get something and.
I might close it.
No.
mind looking up at me real quick?
No.
You have to.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Report.
It's for
No.
a report. You have
Please
to.
don't.
Ashley,
Please
you
don't.
have to. It's for the report.
Please don't.
It's for the report, not
begging you,
social
please
media.
don't.
It's not for social media. It's for our
Please-
report.
No, please don't. Please don't.
Okay.
Please.
I'll get it. I will get a picture of you.
Please don't.
I will.
It's on your body camera.
I'm not
Body
trying to
camera,
be
the
trouble.
jail send me one.
I'm
Yeah.
not trying to be trouble. Just,
You're there.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I guess it's up to you now. What?
Are you guys wishing to pursue charges?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Just got to
I'm
tap so many
sorry.
times. We've tried catching her, but this is the first
Yep.
time I think I've seen her in here.
Yep.
Sorry.
Stand up for me.
What? Are
Stand
you going to
up.
arrest me?
Yes.
Why?
They want to pursue charges for retail theft, okay, and you're trespassing.
I thought
You've been
you could-
notified and everything.
No,
I
I
can't work
didn't.
with you. It's at the dollar amount. I need you to stand up
You
for me.
can work with me. I will do whatever you
I need you to stand up for me. I don't want to have to put hands on you or anything like that, okay?
Please,
Just
sir,
make this
I'm
easy.
begging you, please.
Make this easy.
You have a little bit
You're gonna have to make this easy. You got 3 seconds.
Hand up.
Okay, do you have to put me
3.
in handcuffs?
Yeah.
Yes.
3, 2.
Strap your stuff.
Set it down.
Being cool with you.
I know when I'm trying to be cool with you, but
Yep.
Is your vehicle locked by
You
chance?
said that this wasn't gonna.
I didn't say anything. Is your vehicle
I
locked?
said we were gonna try to work with you, depending on the dollar amount.
I know when you
Okay,
said
listen.
$300.
Are your keys on your person or they?
I'm gonna listen. The more you twist and turn, because it's making me nervous.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Can you please work with me? Do you have to do this?
We're trying.
I
We're
don't
trying.
Work all week. I mean, is this really necessary?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it really necessary?
You have broken the law,
Get caught.
and you got caught. Hang on. Stop. Turn around.
Sorry. I mean, I will do whatever you want. I'm begging you. I had a really long week.
So there's no cash bond, okay?
So what happens?
So you might be able to get released today.
What do you mean?
Like
What will it say?
they'll issue you a cite, like a notice to appear in court, and then they'll send you out the door.
So can I
Okay.
call my attorney real quick?
You can't at the jail.
Yeah.
That's
No,
fine.
because they won't let me when I get there.
Well, hey, you're probably not going to stay the night, okay? They're
I-
probably going to be
no.
there an hour and then
Can
out the
I
door.
please just call them?
At the jail. Let's go.
Can I call them when I get to the
Come
jail?
on. Yep. Come on. I don't want to have to drag you out of here.
No, you're not. I'm just making sure you got my
We're
stuff.
not going to forget your stuff.
I'll come back.